Good day to everyone, especially to the true pet lovers. So today, I'll be cooking a special dish just for him, not just any dog food, but a homemade meal filled with heart, nutrition, and care. I'll also share with you why this kind of food matters more when it comes to the health of when it comes to the health of the dogs. So this is the benefit of home cooked food for dogs. So here's the benefit of home cooked food for dog. More natural and fresh, unlike dog food that contains preservative. Homemade meals use real ingredients that are easier to digest and taste for dog. Control ingredients. You know exactly what goes into the food. No fillers, artificial flavor, or mystery components. More nutritious when balanced. When the right mix of protein, carb, and vegetable, it supports your dog's immune system, digestion, and energy. So more appealing in taste. Many dogs prefer the smell and flavor of real food over dry kibble. Maybe that's why Panda turns his nose up at dog food. So emotional connection. Cooking for your pet is a bonding moment.